Bill Goudy checking in. Got our first measurable snowfall today. Time for shooting some bunnies. Yeah, I like it to shoot bunnies after it snows, but it's melting as fast as it's coming down, so. Well, that's right around the corner. I got my parts for the grinder. Check this out.
Bag 542 safe, SoCal.
Little bit of skip running today. So if you hear something, that's what's in the background.
69 North Carolina, you're the loudest thing on my side as well, and I'm standing by.
Here's the grinder. It's all set up. I used a little extra virgin olive oil to lube it all up for the first time. And I'm going to grind up some pork. Got some pork meat here and make my own ground sausage. Yeah, let's see how it works. That's how she's supposed to do it, right there. Look at that. We're back in business. Thank you, Grizzly. Oh man. I've had this saw for over 10 years. This is the first time I had to do anything other than buy blades for it. It's an awesome product. Look at that, will you? Look at that. It's going to take longer to clean everything up than it did to grind that 15 pounds. Yeah, that's awesome. Back in business.
Get ready to head out the door to work out. Use caution, be patient, and be careful. 35 degrees is our high today with those bands of snow on and off all day. Lows tonight of 29 degrees. A bit of a clearing through northeast Missouri, but mostly.
Will you look at this? Will you look at the goodness? Look at that.
And he snapped. And we're really doing manslaughter here.
What's that hot?
Why are you guys going for the full ride?
Because I don't care how henpecked somebody might be or how much they say they are, which, in my opinion, he was not.
Let's see.
That was a ploy. It's still
29 degrees outside.
Be the voice of Christmas.
29 degrees outside.
Please stop fighting with me.
74 in here.
Unhappy marriage for 10 years.
Nice.
Please stop using the kids as pawns